Yeah. You know, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time.
Hi guys, so I'm finally back with another makeup video, and for today I am going to be recreating one of Etude House's new looks using the products that I received from them. So without any further ado, let's get to it! So first I'll be using the Glow On Hydra Base from Etude House as a primer. And using the Double Lasting Foundation in the shade Sand, I'm going to be applying this all over my face. And because this one is not the glowy kind of foundation, so this is going to give me a really matte look. So I'm not going to use much of it, otherwise my face will look very cakey. So just putting it on the parts of my face where the skin is uneven. And then blending it out. Using their Big Cover Concealer, I'm going to cover up all these imperfections and all these scars on my face. And using their Drawing Eyebrow Slim, I'm gonna be drawing in my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Look at My Eyes in the shade PK002. But before that, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Proof 10 Eye Stick Primer. Next, I'm going to be using the Super Slim Proof Pencil Liner in the shade Brown. And this is going to be put on very, very naturally. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And for the mascara, I'm going to be using the Oh My Eyelashes Black Tint. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to be moving on to the blusher, and I will be using the lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade OR202 Sweet Coral Candy. For the blush, instead of putting it on this part of my cheeks, I'm actually gonna put it at the C part of my face here, which connects the eye and the cheek together. Using a brush, finally, for the lips, which is the point makeup for today, I'm going to be using Etude House's new Better My Lips Talk. As you can see, it looks really cool and it's like magnetic. So the color that I'm using is BE105 Dusty Peach. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lips and try to blend it out towards the outside to give it a more gradient look. So this is it for the peach and pink look that I'm trying to recreate. So let me know in the comments below if I passed or if I failed. And I guess that's it for now. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Bye!
Yeah. You know, I had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look.
You so fucking precious when you smile.